Good morning. I'm heading to a job interview. They told me to wear work clothes, so that was exciting. I didn't have to get ready, so let's do this. Me and Ashley have matching shirts because we worked at the same job for one day.
Yeah, it was over filled to sleep 5 times.
Wow, nice. There you go. I can't get all the water out. Keep going. You gotta wet all of it. There we go. I finished my nails first. You can't tell. Look at your nails. Look like an alien.
Oh, I went away.
Where are we?
I hate that you always vlog because then I don't know if you take a picture or not. Then I always set up to take
I'm always thinking it's a picture too.
Look, watch the surfing. I want it to cool. So like the surfing, it's cool.
You're cool.
I know I'm cool.
She
You
got
vlogging this right now?
hot.
I didn't know you were vlogging.
You're
I
just so
did get
hot.
hot.
I had to.
Perks of having Jacobs in your life. They fix your car when it's broken. The lighting is really nice for you. Look at the movie star.
Where else is getting you with no shirt? Yeah?
Hi. Fred is throwing his shirt thumbs. You know the greatest feeling?
Jonathan, where am I right now?
Yeah.
Sitting here?
Yeah. You will and get a strike. I got him a stripe.
Jonathan, you're in my house.
Up here.
Where are you?
Right here.
Where?
Right here.
Where?
Ah.
Where?
Up here.
I don't see you.
And you're not to me.
Why can't I see you?
I see you.
Oh my goodness.
I'm winning.
I'm winning.
No.
We're foot fighting. I'm winning. Hi. Oh man.
I still beat him.